Looking for the best pie pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 pie pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Lindy's, 9 inches pie pan. Pros: a nice size. Very durable. Doesn't corrode like aluminium pans. Stays looking new for a long time. Easy dishwasher care. A good weight. Can go in the freezer. No worries about breakage. Cons: the stainless steel doesn't have quite the beauty for serving as ceramic and glass pans. Bottom line: stainless steel gives you the crispy edges on your crust with more durability than aluminium pans. At number 2. Pyrex, Easy Grab 9.5 inches pie plate, 2-pack. Pros: a solid pie pan that cooks smoothly and evenly. Has a wide scalloped edge to help flute the sides of your pie crust beautifully. Clear material helps you see when your pie crust is done. It's just a little wider than some of the other pie pans at 9.5 inches. Prices for 2 pans. Freezer and microwave safe, too. Cons: this pan is dishwasher safe, but it should be only placed on the top rack. Glass is more fragile than other materials. Bottom line: easy to clean Pyrex pan has a wider lip to make it easier to take out of the oven. At number 1. Emile Henry, HR Modern Classics Pie Dish, 9 inches. Pros: ceramic that can go in the oven. The glaze on this is very hard so that it doesn't scratch easily. Can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Comes with a 10 years guarantee. Nice depth at 2.5 inches so you can make a deep dish pie or pizza. Nice angle on the sides of the pan. A good weight. Heats evenly. Comes in several colors. Cons: it's on the expensive side for pie bakeware. May not cook as evenly as metal or glass pans, and it's breakable. Bottom line: this attractive pie pan is great as bakeware and also a beautiful serving dish. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.